Hello, to all Gunpla builders, enthusiasts, hobbyists, and collectors. This is HobbyBuild TV, where building your hobby is fun. Today, we are going to show to you the latest Gunpla news and updates. Premium Band Die HG 1:144 Extreme Gundam Type Leos Eclipse Phase. Release date March 2021. Price 2,970 yen. From the Gundam Extreme vs Maxi Boost on arcade game, emerges the Extreme Gundam Type Leos in its Eclipse Phase. The Eclipse Phase offers variety of weapons and equipment boosting the Extreme Gundam's potential in heavy firepower. Installed on its back are the convertible Carnage Striker, which can be transformed into long artillery type weapon. Its variable Psycho rifles can be combined together to perform a twin buster rifle action. Base Extreme Gundam model shares the same molds with the regular released HG Extreme Gundam that was released back in 2011. The kit comes with newly molded parts and connectors to accommodate today's Gunpla standards. Also, the head part has been upgraded to make it more video game accurate. Premium Band Die HGUC 1:144 RX-78-5 Gundam Unit 5 G05. Release date March 2021. Price 2,475 yen. Bandai Spirits and Premium Bandai continues the Mobile Suit Gundam Gaiden Series model kit specials with the release of the 5th Gundam unit. Sharing the same molds with the previously released Gundam Unit 4, with bunch of additional new parts for its chest unit and weapons that were shared from the HGUC Pale Rider Space Unit. This kit is also part of the Ace Pilot Log series and is the 25th entry to the title. The kit is provided with great range of color separation that defines G05 unit. The kit also comes with additional parts to make both of its normal mode and its booster BST mode. It is completed with the included giant Gatling, hyper beam rifle, shield, and beam sabers. And this are the latest Gunpla news today. For more information, visit www.gundamkitcollection.com. Be sure to subscribe this YouTube channel, HobbyBuild TV, for more Gunpla related news and updates. Thanks for watching.